In this article, we'll introduce an advanced/improved version of the popular moving average, MA, indicator. This MT4 indicator is a moving average line converted to MTF, multiple time frames, and, therefore, can be useful across different time frames, not just one. Moving average is a very old technical indicator, but it still remains a popular tool for many traders. With MT4 MA multi-time frame, MTF, you can see the indicator's status across multiple time frames in one table. This can be helpful when you want to have an at-a-glance view of the overall situation with moving averages for your trading instrument. What is MT4 MA multi-time frame indicator? MA multi-time frame for MetaTrader 4 is a great indicator to see the overall trend of an asset. With this indicator, you can see the status of a moving average for all time frames on one chart. The indicator features a simple table where you can see whether the price is above or below its MA for each time frame. You can also see whether the moving average is currently pointing downwards or upwards in all time frames. This moving average trend MTF indicator gives you a good idea of the direction you should be trading. This MTF_moving average indicator can be used in various ways and used for trend analysis. Read on to find out how it works and to download it for free. Tips on how to use. 1. It is recommended to use this indicator for taking trades and trend judgment. For example, let's say you trade on the hourly chart, but one of the conditions for taking a trade uses the 100-period moving average of the 4-hour or the daily chart. In this case, you can use this improved MA indicator to display the 100-period moving average of the higher time frame on the hourly chart, which is your trigger chart for a trade. 2. Displaying the all-important 100-day and 200-day moving averages on the chart. The 100 and 200-period moving averages of the daily chart are really important. These 100-day and 200-day moving averages are often a support and resistance zone because many traders are watching them across all different time frames. For this reason, even if you don't trade based on the daily chart, it may be useful to have the 200-day and 100-day moving averages displayed on lower time frames as well. Note, the moving average line of a lower time frame cannot be displayed on higher time frames. For example, it is not possible to display a moving average of a 5-minute chart on an hourly chart. On the other hand, there is no problem when the moving average line of the 1-hour chart is displayed on the 5-minute chart. Please keep this point in mind when using this indicator. Compatibility, MT4. Parameters. Time frame, the time frame of moving average. If this is H1, then a moving average of H1 time frame will be shown on the current chart. MA period, the period used for MA calculation MA_shift, the shift used for MA calculation MA_method, the method used for MA calculation applied_price, the price used for MA calculation. Why is MT4 MA multi-time frame useful? When you check a moving average of the price in MetaTrader, you look at it on some specific time frame. It is sometimes useful to know what is its status for different time frames in order to have a better understanding of the market situation. If, for example, you check the trend on an H1 chart, it might be giving a bullish signal. However, checking the moving average on a D1 chart could give a bearish signal. MA multi-time frame for MT4 allows you to see moving average status for all time frames in a single place. You can simplify your visual representation and know if an asset or a pair is overall bullish or bearish. You can use this indicator to improve your entry and exit signal decisions. The indicator also includes a feature to alert you if the trend changes. Highly configurable moving average indicator. Features highly customizable alert functions, at levels, crosses, direction changes via email, push, sound, pop-up multi-time frame ability color customization, at levels, crosses, direction changes linear interpolation option works on strategy tester in multi-time frame mode, at weekend without ticks also. The moving average trend MTF indicator gives you the bird's eye view of the trend direction across multiple time frames on your chart to help save you plenty of time. So if you are trading the D1 time frame,